I'm Frank Sayles Jr. for the Tifton Grapevine. Revised sign regulations for Tifton's Historic District continued to inch forward on Thursday, March 20th at Tifton City Council's workshop. City Attorney Rob Wilmot discussed a letter he received from the State Department of Natural Resources Historic Preservation Division about the city's proposed changes to the regulations.
As you all know, I sent up to Department of Natural Resources a proposed revision to the HPC manual, and based upon what I sent up there, they sent back this letter back on March 17th concerning their comments and suggestions regarding the draft. What they did, basically, some of it was stylistic. You know, the old book that I have here, as you can see, is in 2 columns. So they want it in 2 columns, so I put it in 2 columns. It seems like most of the things were stylistic, because I did change and reorganize some of the paragraphs where I thought they may be more appropriate. The next issue regarding from the DNR had to do with the electronic graphic display signs. And again, as you can see, they do not believe that that type of signs is appropriate for the historic district. They say if they are to be allowed against the advisement with the concern from HPD, this should only be under special circumstances on a case-by-case basis. If approved as a special case size, operational requirements appear reasonable. What we did in the proposal for the revisions to the HPC manual was to require a certificate of appropriateness for this type of sign, and we also gave some guidance as far as what should be looked at in determining whether or not that particular sign should be given a certificate of appropriateness. So I think that from what I was gathering from the letter was that bottom line, they don't think that they are a good idea, but if you are going to allow them, do it on a case-by-case basis based upon what you perceive as special circumstances. And I think from what we attempted to do was to give some consideration of different things that the HBC can consider in determining whether or not to allow a particular sign.
Councilman West Ellers questioned whether the city would lose its state certification if it allows electronic signs in the city's historic district.
Is there going to be any penalty, or is there going to be any consequence for us doing that? Although, if we're going to be given the ability to allow them under certain special circumstances. I mean,
the way,
because I know that I don't know if they're just setting us up, right there saying, yeah, go ahead and do it, and then, all of a sudden there's a possibility we could be certified.
I would certainly can make that inquiry. It appears to me, Wes, what they're saying is, we don't think you should do it, but if you do it under special circumstances. And that's why I think that the way we have the proposal drafted is that we're trying to enumerate those circumstances.
The city has been wrangling with sign revisions for months now. The proposals not only address electronic signs, but also other types of signs in the city, such as political type stick signs, banners, and sandwich boards. The proposals now go to the city's Planning and Zoning Commission before they will come back to City Council for a final vote. This is Frank Sayles Jr. reporting for the Tifton Grapevine.